So, hey guys, welcome back to day 6 of 30 days challenge. And today we are going to do Zumba workout. Yeah. So, honestly, after all those painful exercises from past few days, this feels a little fun finally. So, anyway, let's dance and survive day 6 together. So today there will be no counting reps and no exercises, no push-up, etc. So today is just dance, your energy. So and just we all guys are going to survive with music. And one more thing, don't go with my music because the music used in this video is not the actual music I dance during this workout. Because of them that copyright issues and all, I was not able to play the actual one. And I followed many YouTubers Zumba workout in this video, so I'll say some names like Arya Balakrishnan and many other workout, but mainly I followed this Arya Balakrishnan YouTubers Zumba workout. But it was really good, and let's see we'll be able to survive this or not.
Cerca de mí, don't run away. Tempo beats, let's ignite. Dance with me through the night. Baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like star. Baila, en el mar. Keep it going, no queda igual.
Baila conmigo bajo la luna. El ritmo calienta, siente la fortuna. De sol y fuego, pasión en la arena. Tu movimiento es pura candela. Fuego, fuego en el corazón. Fuego, mueve, mueve sin condición. La noche llama, siente la explosión. Fuego, fuego, nuestra canción. Sun-kissed bodies, dancing in the glow. Heat of the summer, letting it go. From the player to the disco lights, we keep it moving all through the night. Fuego, fuego, en el corazón. Fuego, mueve, bebe sin condición. La noche llama, siente la explosión. Fuego, fuego, nuestra canción. Feel the ocean, waves in the sound. Palms are swaying, let's get down. Dame tu mano, don't let go. El calor nos lleva al cielo. Fuego, fuego en el corazón. Fuego, mueve, mueve sin condición. La noche llama, siente la explosión. Oh, fuego, fuego, nuestra canción.
And yeah, I know I'm not not doing all the steps perfectly. I was just literally watching, copying, and trying my best to follow along. So if some steps look wrong or something like weird, just imagine that we are learning together and I was just copying and all. And one more thing which I want to say is, don't think that Zumba is easy. By the end I was literally tired and sweating just like the regular workouts, because see, in regular workouts at least we take 30 seconds or 50 seconds break, but in this we are just going with the flow and we were just dancing. I mean, I was just dancing. So yeah, go with the flow. Don't, if you know your own steps, then add it. I was in middle, I was doing the same thing. I was adding my own step, I was copying and adding my own step, which I was not able to do. And yeah, just go with the flow and you can do it. I know it's super fun, but it's still super effective too.
Feel the ocean, waves in the sound, palms are swaying, let's get down.
So yeah, we danced, we survived, and we burned calories somehow. So finally day 6 completed. Let's see in day 7. Till then, bye bye.